Welcome back to Writing Workshop, boys and girls. Yesterday, we wrote sentences, we add labels, short labels, and longer labels. And we were able to use sight words that we know, this, is, and the. Today, we will be moving on to revision. And when we revise, we add more pictures, we add more labels, and we add more sentences to our books. Today, Miss Allen is using the green pen. And if you don't have a green pen, boys and girls, make sure that you are revising using a different colored pen or pencil so your teacher knows that you added more to your writing today. I also wanted to introduce more words that we know. Do you know these sight words? Let's review. It, has, of, and. Can we do that again? It, has, of, and. I will be using these sight words in my writing today. Remember, my topic is all about the classroom. On the first page, I have my introduction. And in my introduction, I told my readers, I will teach you all about the classroom. Well, I wanted to add more to my writing. I was thinking that I can say this is where you learn to read, write, and do math. What do you think? Do you think I should teach my readers that before I start telling them about the classroom? Yeah, let me tell them that this is where you learn to read, write, and do math. Now remember, boys and girls, this is part of revision. You add more sentences. And I know that you can write more than one sentences because we are getting ready for first grade. And we can add another sentence to each page. Page 1. This is the library. But I forgot to label these things. What are in these bins? Right? These are books. So let me label my books. We don't just have books, right? We have poems and nursery rhymes, songs. I think these can be poems. I can label my rug, right? I can say the rug. Longer labels using sight words that I know. So this is the library. Remember, I want to add more sentences to each page. And I have these sight words ready. And I wanted to say, it has lots of. So I'm going to put it. Remember, it has lots. Sight word of, in case you don't know how to spell of. And looking at my labels, what do you think I'm going to put? Lots of books and poems. Books and poems. Period. Okay. Let's move on to page 2. Oh, this page, I added my labels already, right? I have blocks and I have shapes. I have counters. Ooh, what do you think I should put here? This is the math center. It has, let's write that. Lots of, remember the sight word of, and what did I label? Blocks. I labeled blocks. So I'm going to write blocks. And shapes. Period. So boys and girls, I added another sentence to this page. Okay. Page 3. Oh, wow. A lot of labels, so I don't need to add more labels. I am going to take up my sight words again. Remember, boys and girls, you have your sight word wall. And some of you already know how to spell your sight words without using your charts. So I'm going again. What do you think I'm going to put? There's so much things that I can choose from. I'm going to write, it has lots of, pens. I'm going to write pens. Use my sight word and paper. Now I'm on my last page, or the conclusion. I already said, now you know all about the classroom. Maybe I should add more here. Right? I already have smartboard. Maybe I can add the smartboard. I'm going to write the word the smartboard. And this is one student, so I can put a student, and the rug. So I added more to my labels. I made my labels longer. And in the end, I wanted to ask my readers, like, you know how we do our read aloud and then there's a question? Maybe I can add a question to my conclusion. What question can I ask my readers? Maybe what's their favorite part? Oh yeah, I'm going to write that. Now you know all about the classroom. What was your favorite part? That's what I'm going to put. What was your favorite part? Now remember, every sentence ends with a punctuation, but this is a question. What comes at the end of a question? A question mark. Okay, boys and girls, I'm really excited about my book. Let me read it one more time to make sure I added pictures, words, labels, or sentences. All about the classroom, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. I will teach you all about the classroom. This is where you learn to read, write, and do math. This is the library. It has lots of books and poems. This is the math center. It has lots of blocks and shapes. This is the writing center. It has lots of pens and paper. Now you know all about the classroom. What was your favorite part? All right, boys and girls. So today we revised. And I hope that you added more pictures, more words or labels, and another sentence to every page. See you guys tomorrow and have a great day.